This year, all 8th graders have to take the PSAT November 16th. This test is meant to prepare students to take the SAT when they get to high school. Here's what some students think.
I think the PSAT is a good way to prepare ourselves for the SAT and just a way to understand the questions that might be asked and just the material that may be on it.
I think it's important so that we know what's going to be required of us when we finally take the SATs.
It lets people know how much time they have to take the test and the kinds of questions that will be asked.
It's really just a great way to see if you're on the right track as a student, and it really can help kind of determine what your strengths are as a student, because you'll get a score report after the test and it's really detailed. You can kind of take those strengths, and then when you're moving on into the high school, you can maybe pick some AP courses that are matched to those strengths. So it's really just some good opportunities to learn more about you as a student.
I think that it prepares us to take the SAT in high school. You know, the SAT is a different test than you will have ever taken, and the more times that you can have that experience before you actually get to the experience is always going to benefit you. It is completely a preparation type of test, and it gives us a lot of good data on what a student's doing well, what a student's not doing well, and what they need to do, like we said, to prepare for when the real thing comes up in 10th grade.
To prepare for the test, there's nothing specifically to study for. It's really about taking challenging courses, being engaged in your classes, doing your homework.
I wouldn't put a lot of time into studying for it right now, but I would take the test very seriously and do your absolute best.